You're being very good. You're being a good boy. Oh, hi there. I'm Brady Kerball, and I'd like to welcome you to Foster, the world's only film festival that features and is dedicated to rescued and fostered animals. Dogs like little Muffin here. Say hi, Muffin. Say it! You know, there are so many potential pets out there looking for forever homes. One of the best things about rescuing a needy animal is that they shower you with love and affection. They can also be eaten without very many follow-up questions.
Muffin! Muffin!
Muffin and I hope you enjoyed tonight's lineup, and we'll see you at the shelter! Stop it!